Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Now see here. Today we learn O sound words. See, pictures and words. Can you see here this? Pictures and words. Look at the pictures. Read the words. We have to see the pictures here and we have to read the word. What is that exactly picture is? Okay. Now let's start. What is this picture? Can you see? What is this? Dog. You can see the word here. D-O-G. Dog. What is this? D-O-G. Dog. And here what we are learning? O sound words. Can you see O here? Here you can find O. Letter O. Now see this. What is this picture? What is the boy doing here? Hop. H-O-P. Hop. H-O-P. Hop. Now see this next picture. What is this? This is cot. C-O-T. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. Now see the next picture. What is this? This is box. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. Now see the next one. What is this? What is the boy doing? J-O-G. Jog. In the morning we used to do jogging, right children? So this is jog. J-O-G. Jog. Now see the next picture. What is this? This is mop. We'll use this mop to clean the floor. M-O-P. Mop. What is this? M-O-P. Mop. In all these words you can see we are finding O sound word. We are finding here O. You can see O here. In every word you can see O. Now see the next picture. What is this? This is cup. In the cup what you can see? Tea. The tea is there in the cup and that is hot. H-O-T. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. Now see the next one. What is this? This is fox. F-O-X. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Now see the next one. What is this? This is log. This is log. L-O-G. Log. L-O-G. Log. Now see the next one. What is this? This is top. Children will play with this. This is a toy. Top. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top. Now see the next one. What is this? This is a pot. P-O-T. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. And what is this picture? This is ox. What is this? Ox. O-X. Ox. O-X. Ox. So what we learned children today? Today we learned O sound words. You can find everywhere O. See here you can find O. In all these words you will find O letter. And now we have activity. So let's do the activity. See here. CVC words with O. CVC words with O sound. Can you see O here? This is O. Match the words with the pictures. Here you can find words and here you can find pictures. We have to read the word and then we have to match with the picture. Now let's do it. Are you ready? Come on. See this. What is this? What is this word? D-O-G. Dog. Now see here where you can find dog here in this pictures. This is a dog. No. This is a dog. No. This is a dog. Yes, this is a dog. Now match it. Exactly like this. Now see this word. Let's read it. C-O-T. Cot. Now see where is cot here. Is this a cot? No. Is this a cot? No. Is this a cot? Yes, this is a cot. Now match it. Now see what is this word? B-O-X. Box. Now see here. Is this a box? No. Is this a box? No. Is this a box? Yes, this is a box. So like this only you have to match. You have to read the word, then you have to find the picture and you have to match it. Now see what is this? J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. What is jog? I told you. We used to do in the morning. Okay. So where is jog? Is this a jog? No, 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 no. Is this a jog? No, this boy is hopping. This boy is hopping. So this is hop. So what is this boy doing? This is jog. So match it. Now see what is this word? M-O-P, mop. Where is the mop here? Is this a mop? No, 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 no. Is this a mop? Yes, this is a mop. Now match it. Now see this word T-O-P, top. Where you can find top here? Is this a top? No, 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 no. Is this a top? Yes, this is a top. So match it. Now see the next word P-O-T, pot. Where you can find pot here? See this. Is this a pot? No, 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 no. Is this a pot? Yes, this is a pot. Match it. Now see this. What is this word? L-O-G, log. Where you can find log here? Is this a log? No, 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 no. Is this a log? Yes, this is a log. Match it. Now see this H-O-P, hop. Now see the pictures, all we have matched. Now what is the left over here? This one is the left. So H-O-P, hop. So this boy is hopping. So you can match this hop to the picture. So this is your activity, children. Hope you understand. Thank you all.